Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. Now, first up, we have a Dollar Tree inspired DIY. Wow. Okay, this is like the coolest mirror design I have ever seen, basically. That is pretty cool. I like the glitz and the glam feel that it has. Very nice. And then the next DIY is going to be of some artwork. We've seen this concept done quite a few times. I like it better in black than I do in white. And they actually draw like little cars on here to kind of make it look like the road. So I thought that was pretty cool. Definitely something different. And then we have this dollar store wall sconce DIY. Now, I think that this is a pretty cool project. I also want to say that they always make it look so easy in these videos to replicate these projects. And then you go out and you buy the items and you're like, okay, that did not turn out that well. But I still enjoy just watching them. Like, look at that. Really cute idea. So then we have some more wall art here. So this one actually seems like it might be pretty easy to replicate. So I've been showing this in my past few videos. You're basically buying the canvas and then the letters and then painting it. It's like, okay, what could go wrong with that? So then we have a DIY mirror design. Oh, I like the color. Wow, that is so cute. She definitely upgraded that. It's amazing what you can do with a little bit of paint and some creativity. And of course, some free time. So that baking soda is of course going to thicken up the paint, give it a little bit of texture, and she adds in these really cute flowers. Wow, that is so cute. Very nice. All right, so we have another Pinterest wall art design here, textured rainbow. Okay, I didn't know that that's what that was called. This feels like another one of those projects where you like feel like it would be simple to do, and then you actually attempt to do it and you're like, whoa, this is a lot harder than I thought. But I like the fact that she's showing us like her trying to get the perfect lines versus just showing us like the best of the project. Like she's showing us the nitty gritty, the mistakes being made, everything. Third time is the charm. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, and I will see you in the next one.